So, how long should I fast to see benefit? Is the question that I've been asked a few times. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yvette. Now, my straightforward, easy answer is it doesn't matter. You're gonna see benefit no matter how long you fast or no matter how short you fast. If you make an effort to skip a meal a day or two, you're gonna see some benefits, at least with your digestive system. However, if you want to experience real benefits of fasting, it also depends on the kind of benefits that you're looking for. So the benefits that you're gonna get from fasting depends on your goal of fasting. If you're fasting for weight loss, then you have to fast more days to be able to see those pounds shedding off your body, because your body has to go into ketosis for the fat storage in your body to be accessed and be broken down for you to see the difference in the way that your body looks in terms of weight. So you have to fast for at least 48 hours for your fat storage to be accessed by your body to release energy. So what happens is that when you start fasting, your body is still feeding from the glycogen storage in your body. Let's say today you decide that you're going to fast today. If you decide to fast today, your body still has available sugar that is producing energy for you to be able to function throughout the day. By the second day, your body starts accessing the glycogen storage that is in your body to release energy for you to function. And by day number 3, that's when your glycogen storage is almost depleted and your body now needs to go into the fat storage in your body to start breaking that fat down to release energy. And that's when you start seeing the benefit of weight loss with fasting. But if you're fasting for, let's say, spiritual benefits, right from day one, you are gonna start experiencing benefits spiritually, because the time that you would have used to eat, that's the time that you dedicate to spend that time with God. So you start drawing closer to God as you're humbling yourself and humbling your flesh. Then your spirit starts becoming more alert and you begin to have more consciousness to spend time with God. So right off the bat, day one, you start getting those spiritual benefits, and those benefits only get better and better as your brain becomes clearer, your mind becomes clearer, and your draw closer to God, and you're able to hear more from God. So it gets better and better as you go. If you're fasting for health benefits, for instance, if you have a sickness and you're fasting, because healing is also part of the benefits of fasting, it also depends on the length of time that you're fasting, depending on the kind of illness that you're trusting God for healing for, or you're fasting to receive healing from. Let's say you had gastric ulcers, for instance, and you're fasting to give your belly, your stomach lining time and the space to heal, so that you're completely free from the pain and the ulcers on your gut, in your stomach lining. Like, you have to give it more time. So if you're only doing intermittent fasting, you're not gonna get a lot of benefit from that. But if you do something like water fast or dew fast, the more days you fast, the more time you're giving your gastric lining or your stomach lining to heal from those ulcers, so that it's completely healed and completely gone. So the longer you fast, the more benefit you will get, depending on what you are looking for in terms of the benefit of fasting. If you want to go on a lengthy fast, you also have to be very careful, because you have to gradually train your body to get to a point where you can fast for 5 days, 7 days, 21 days, 40 days, and more days. So you have to start gradually. Don't be in a rush to fast and go for longer days just because somebody said, or because I said that the more you fast, the more benefits you will get, or the longer you fast, the more benefits you get. You have to start gradually, because if you don't start gradually, you're not gonna be able to meet your goals. Let's say, for instance, you're fasting to lose weight. You start by fasting for 1 day first, and then you go another day, and then you give yourself a break and go another day. even with intermittent fasting, even though with intermittent fasting, you're eating every day, but you're skipping a few meals. When you eat intermittently, you're also giving your body the time to access your fat storage, because it also depends on what you eat when you're eating intermittently. During that period where you're fasting, when you're doing intermittent fasting, you're giving yourself a period of rest, and digestion is happening during that period, and elimination is going on in your body as well. So all the toxins and the excess food that is in your body is being burned down to release the energy during the period that you're fasting before you eat again. So you're going to get benefit. However, if you were doing a water fast or a juice fast and you're not replenishing that storage, your body is going to have more access to the fat storage and more breakdown of fat. So you're going to lose more weight when you're doing a water fast or a juice fast than if you're doing an intermittent fasting. But it is also very beneficial for you to start with intermittent fasting and gradually train your body into going a whole day or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and more days without food to get more of the benefits. So I don't know if I answered that question accurately, but in a nutshell, the longer you fast, the more benefits you're going to get. But you got to be careful to gradually build up to longer days to be able to get more benefits with your fast. But no matter what kind of fast you do, and no matter the length of time you fast, even if it's just a day, you are gonna get a benefit or benefit from that fast. There's a saying that Rome was not built in a day. It was one block after the other, one day at a time. So start slowly and go gradually and build up to a lengthy fast. So, but wherever you start, you're gonna start seeing benefits. So that's what I wanted to address in this video. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy my content, or if you have any questions about fasting or about general Christian life, please do not hesitate to contact me. Send me a message, comment below this video and let me know. I also coach people to fast and coach people on how to grow in their relationship with God. And if that's something that you're interested in, please comment below. I have a free a coaching group where we fast twice a month. If you want to join my group, let me know. And if you want to do private coaching with me, also let me know. Comment below and let me know, or send me an email to coachivette77@gmail.com and I will contact you and I'll be happy to be your coach. Thanks again for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with other people. God bless you. Stay tuned for my next video. God bless you.